Welcome back again to Smart FM. Okay, continue about discussion before. I want to ask from the funny name, Brother Dinding? Dindi? Okay, sorry. Okay, this is for you.
Okay.
Beneficial if someone join in international pageant.
I think maybe you can get money.
Of course, money.
Yeah.
Of course.
Because a lot business you can get if you be the winner
Yes.
from the region. The easy thing is you can get to be maybe you can be celebgram.
Yes.
No,
That's-
a lot young people want to be celebgram, but the lot thing I see in my television, the winner from the Begeant actually almost every the winner from the Begeant must be the actress from advertising.
Oh.
You see, no.
Yeah.
Why?
No.
You see,
Okay. Okay. What
you
else?
see 300. Sorry.
Okay,
300.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
you see 300.
Don't mention it. Okay.
And-
What else?
I just know that thing, but from not be actress and from advertising. Maybe she can be to movie.
Yes.
Be actress to movie and be the celebrity. Yeah, I think like that.
Okay, from Brother Dindi. Yes, beneficial like being actress, advertising, celebgram also. Wow, and movie actress. Wow, that's a good. Okay, from Brother Rian again. Okay, maybe you know about international beauty pageant in Miss World. From like Brother Nafi from South Africa, I don't know what years, or
Yeah, I just know about this international pageant. So I don't have a lot of knowledge about that
okay, it's okay.
because I'm a man.
Yes, of course.
I'm not a woman.
Okay, okay. Yeah. About conclusion again about topic tonight.
Okay. My conclusion for tonight. If you want to be a part of international prestigious international pageant, you have to have many knowledge. You have to be influencer and the smartest one.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I think that's all my conclusion.
Okay, thank you. About Brother Alam.
Yes.
Conclusion about topic tonight.
Okay, conclusion about the international pigeon. There is so many of conclusion about our brother said before, and also the part of the conclusion is being a lot of friends. We know in
Yes,
we need
relation.
to promote our culture to the world. What is
Yes.
special in our country, and also there is of course a benefit like you said before is a minimum price in the Miss Universe or Miss World around 400,000 US dollar.
Wow.
In Indonesian, we call it 4 billion
4 billion.
rupiah.
Wow.
So there is a lot of
Instant
benefit.
rich.
But there is a lot of sacrifice. We need
Yes.
to
Any sacrifice.
Yes, that's it.
It's not easy. Okay, back to Brother Navi. Okay, about conclusion tonight.
Conclusion. Yeah. So we have talked a lot about international pageant. So what I can conclude is that this kind of competition is not only competition where you only rely on your beauty, but also other skills. Like for example, you have skill in attracting people or giving influence, or you have a skill in terms of languages and etc. So it's not only a competition where the beauty is valued, is judged based on your skin color, or based on your beauty, but yeah, it's all about the true beauty of the women itself. So I think that's all that I can conclude.
Okay, last conclusion. Maybe I want to hear from Brother Eddie. Okay.
So so the conclusion I can only conclude from this topic, which is that beauty pageant is not easy. You have to not only be beautiful outside, but you have to be beautiful on the
Yes,
inside.
Beautiful outside.
Yeah.
And inside.
Yeah, exactly. Because I always believe that the most beautiful thing comes from the inside. So I always believe that you have to not. Yeah, so you have to take care of from the outside, and you have to take care from the inside, and also, to be a part of the beauty pageant, you need to do a lot of things. You need to always explore. You need to always feel hungry. You always have to get that hunger first, because you cannot always be full every day. You cannot always be enough every day. You have to find new things every day, every second, every hour. You have to learn and learn, keep learning, keep improving yourself, because that's the work. That's what you need to do when you are in the beauty pageant. So
Yes.
I think that's what I can conclude.
Okay, thank you for your nice conclusion. Okay, maybe vocabularies you have for a small listener? You have vocabularies or idiom? Okay, this is...
Because this we talking about pigeon. I remember the accident from the pigeon in 2015.
Okay.
Is there have the incident when the host make a mistake. He's make he make a wrong
Okay. Ooh.
wrong tell to anyone.
Okay.
He's fall to
Yeah. It's okay, just say in Bahasa. It's okay, just say. Okay.
The winner.
Yeah.
And he is Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey make a mistake. He fault the MC has make mistake.
Is mistake the name.
The name, the
Wow.
winner. Actually the winner is from Philippines, but he said the winner is from maybe Brazil.
Okay.
And after that, in 2018, he be the host in Miss World again, and that incident
Time is up. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just something like that. I just remember my memory, and because I watched that news from my television, and that's the biggest mistake from history from beauty pageant.
Okay, last vocabularies from.
Okay. The vocabularies related from this topic is prestige.
Prestige.
Yeah, prestige is one of the woman has a is a pride of the
Okay.
world. That's the
Okay.
mean of a prestige.
Prestige.
Yes.
Okay, the meaning of prestige. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for all of you to join tonight. Thank you. And also for small listener want to join tonight. Thank you also. And see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye.